Right here I have a men's Chris Aire diamond watch, Traveler edition. 5 times one's all fully functional. Factory set VVS diamonds. Pre-owned, good condition. Swatch is for sale. It does have a few scuffs right down the glass, as you can see by the 3. This is a big casing, approximately 50 millimeters long, about 40 some wide. There's your back casing right there. I believe this is the first edition of the Traveler models. It is for sale. My number's posted at the bottom. If you're interested, hit me up. These are some pricey watches. So for the price, it's pretty low. Again, my number's posted at the bottom. Hit me up.